All right, good morning, good evening, and good afternoon to everyone who is tuned in. I think I now I'm close to bringing you to bringing you a video that you've always been waiting for, the crunching video. I know most of you have been waiting for this video for a very long time. Of late, I made an abrupt crunch video, but it's not the official crunch video. But I'll make sure I do come up with an official crunching video so that I show you how sweet and delicious and juicy and crunchy these Wambugu apples are. And indeed, I enjoyed the crunching. But I'll make sure I make an official, programmed, and on-set crunching video. So for the new people on this channel, this is a channel that has been venturing in growing apples in Uganda, specifically the Wambugu apples, growing them organically, no additives, no chemicals whatsoever. So I hope you get to learn, and I really do hope that you are motivated somehow. So I'll take you through, and I'll see if I can bring out that crunch video. It's not very clear, it was just abrupt, and my phone went dead, its battery was done, so it was not I was not ready for the crunching, but I just found myself crunching. But thank you for following. For those ones who have subscribed, thank you for subscribing. For the people who have been on this channel from the day one, from the time we started putting these apples into the ground, like you can see behind me, they're almost ready. This one right here is almost ready, it's reddish. Then there is this one right here. There are more out there, and there are more up there as well. So I hope to take you through, and I hope you do enjoy. For the people who have been asking for my contact, the contact is always down in the description below. Yes, for every video I leave my contact down in the description below. You can reach out to me via WhatsApp, most preferably. Enjoy. Okay, looks like this one fell off from right here. Looks like it fell off. These ones are all ripe. Alright, it looks like these ones are ready. Let me try and get them out of the Now this one broke off from this other side. Try and get it out of. They smell very nice. They smell really nice. You can see. They smell really, really nice. You can see right there. This is the very first harvest, so they might look small, but exactly this. Sorry. Take this off exactly. You can see right here. All right, here I am. I am back. So I am going to put these ones out of the nets, and they look like they're ready. I just took out some from this branch, like you can see them right here, the red Wambugu apples. So let's proceed. Let me put this down here for a little while. Let me unwrap this. I hope you can see me as I can see you. Yeah. Let me unwrap this very slowly. Okay. Hello everyone. Now this is a video to show you how I'm going to crunch the apple. It is sweet and delicious and juicy. This is Uganda Katende Wambugu apples. Now you lick it out.